How to delete Yelp account. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is navigate to the official website of the Yelp and log into your Yelp account. Then all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see privacy and policy option available. Now all you have to do is tap on it and navigate to the privacy and policy. Now once you are inside the privacy and policy, scroll and tap on the data retention and account termination option available there. Once you tap on the data retention and account termination, you can see here option available in the blue highlights. All you have to do is tap on the here option available and you will be navigated to the page where you can easily delete your Yelp account. So here I'm just tapping on the Yelper submit an account closer application, but if you are using the business one, then simply tap any according to your preferences or according to your account type. Then you'll be navigated to the page. First of all, just make sure that you are logged into your Yelp account. I have not logged in yet because the Yelp account is not available in my region. So once you log in, then you can submit it and delete your account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.